What's good, all my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there? And before you watch this video, become part of the SGM family by subscribing, like, sharing, comment, and hit that bell button below so you'll be notified first. And shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in them comments. Gang, gang. And before you watch this video, don't forget to follow me on social media. Everything will be in the link in the description below. Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Like I said, I've been out of touch. I'm not going to lie. You know what I'm saying? I haven't been posting nothing, but I will be back soon. But I need all y'all to follow me because these, YouTube be acting flimsy sometimes, like I said. So we need to stay connected. And also, like I said, everything will be in the link in the description below. You know what I mean? But anyways, this video is about an app. Some of you heard of it, some of you haven't. Let's get right into it. They got a promotion that I'm late on. I don't know how I'm late on it, but I am. But anyways, let's get into that. It is Dosh, as you can see right there. So let's get right into it so we can get y'all, we can get y'all well acquainted because the promotion is over in I think Tuesday at midnight. So like I said, it been going on for 5 days, but I had so much stuff going on that I'm just now getting hip to it. But anyways, like I said, Dosh is it's an app where you can earn money. It's easy too. Like I said, all you gotta do is go to the link. All you gotta do is go to the link in the description below, right? Click the link, sign up under my link. That's gonna be in the description below. And when you get it, you go right here. You know what I'm saying? You go right there where the 3 dots is at right there. You go just like that. You see how you see my name right there? It says credit or debit. You can put your credit card, your debit card link. You see how my debit card is right there? And that's it. Just for you doing that, you're going to get $5 just for doing that. Like I said, and if you add another card, they're going to give you another $1. Every card you add after that, they're going to give you another $1. But like I said, right now it's a $10 promotion. Before it was $15, now they give them the $10 promotion. So when you put your link out there, you know what I'm saying, on your social media platforms, your friends, family, whoever it is, like I said, once they do the same thing under your link, they go to where I told you right there on the 3 dots and add their card, you're going to get $10 within 2 or 3 business days. It's that simple. But let me show you the other stuff on here. They have great cash backs. Like I said, you can just scroll and you can see right here. Wherever area you in is where the cash back is going to be. But like I said, if you see how it says nearby, you can go to nearby and you can put, whatever restaurant you're looking for and see if they're giving cash back. Or if you're just shopping online, you can go online right here. Instead of scrolling, and those are all the these are the percentage of the cash back. Let's just say you was going to right here, Ashford, right here. They're giving 11.2% cash back. That's a lot. 10% on this. You know what I'm saying? 7.5 on Bed Bath and Beyond and so on. Instead of just scrolling through it and trying to look for it, you can just search for it on top. That's if you doing it online. But if you're somewhere nearby, see, right now I'm in the car. I'm doing a car vlog. It's just say one of these restaurants right here. No advertisement. They got to cut the check. But I'm just giving you an example. I type in one of those right there and see if they're giving any cash back if I'm going in there and see if it's worth it. Because I could go, eat, do whatever I'm going to do or buy a gift or whatever it is I'm going to do. And get some money back off of it. You know what I'm saying? It's that simple. And also they got traveling. I travel a lot. So, like I said, you know what I'm saying? Look, 25 cash bonus for your first booking in a hotel. I ain't gonna lie to you, I ain't do it yet because like I said, I got other apps that I'm doing something with that's giving me great cash back or there's great discounts on hotels, also MCA. There's a lot of stuff that I use. So this definitely is an app you should use to do that for whatever cities you want to go to if you travel a lot. And look, New York City right now, 105. Averaging by 105 cash back, or that's probably the how much it was a night, I'm not sure, but it says cash back, averaging whatever it is. But you could just definitely check it out though, you know what I'm saying? I advise to check it out. Let's go on to the next, you know what I'm saying? The referral bonus. You can invite your friends. I said as of right now, as you can see, June 5th, it ends right there. For each friend that goes up here, like I said before, right? That goes right there. As their credit card or debit card. It's that simple. Just by adding it, you ain't gotta buy nothing. You ain't gotta do nothing. Just by adding it, the person that did it under your link will earn 10 right now, just up to the 5th, and the person that did it is gonna earn 5 on the spot. You know what I'm saying? It's that simple. You could put also your PayPal stuff also. You know what I mean? But like I said, you'll go into that section and you're looking right into it. But like I said, it's all you gotta do. This is my link right here. It will be in the description below. You can share it via, text, Facebook, Twitter, email, etc. You can just copy your link, post it anywhere. This is a simple app, and you can make every time they have promotions, you can make a killing. A lot of y'all don't take advantage of it. I don't know why, but like I said, you can make an ill killing on this right now. Like I said, I just jumped on it right now because I just saw my email. And like I said, I just sent it to one of my friends, and I already made $10 off of it. I just sent it to one person. He seen what it was. He knows how I do. You know what I'm saying? When it come down to, you know, getting this money. So he's down with it. Like I said, I don't know how it's this late. This has been going on, I think, since the 1st or the 31st or somewhere around there, May 31st, 30th, or probably June 1st. You know what I'm saying? But I'm late. I only got 2 days left. So I'm gonna try to make me a quick $200-300. You know what I'm saying? Much as possible. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get the word out there. You know what I mean? But that's all you really gotta do. Let me go right back so I can show y'all. Right here, once you go in the link in the description below, because a lot of y'all be hard-headed, all you gotta do is go to the 3 dots right there, press credit card or debit card. Whether you have a debit card or credit card, put it right there, and that's it. You're done. You wanna add another card, they give another $1. That's it. It's that freaking simple. And just get on it. Like I said, some of y'all probably got this app and probably know about the promotion. Like I said, I'm late to it. You know what I'm saying? So for those that don't, that's all you gotta do. Simple. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, like I said, don't forget to follow me on social media, and please turn on your post notifications so you can know every time I drop a video. Like I said, I know I've been slacking a little bit, but like I said, I've been doing so much. I'm trying to get all these videos up, but when you're doing so much stuff, it takes up much of your time. Y'all already know y'all the family, and I'm gonna get right back into my job and dropping these videos. You know what I'm saying? I'm working on my own app. Like I said, I didn't want to blow up the surprise, but I did it like 2-3 videos ago. I'm trying to work on it, and I'm trying to make it perfect. I'm a perfectionist when it comes down to things like that. I'm trying to make it perfect. You know what I'm saying? It's a surprise. Once I get it, it's gonna be a screamer. Trust me, it's gonna blow out a lot of these apps and make things way easier. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, like I said, don't forget, you know what I'm saying, follow me on social media. On all my social medias, like I said, even though I'm not posting right now, just follow me, because when I do, it's gonna be epic. And you know, the link in the description below. And the SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, P.S. a friend of mine just went shopping, and as you can see right there, Forever 21 just paid her $23 right there, as you can see right there. Like I said, from shopping at H&M. Let me see. I think they're supposed to send them more, but I'm just giving y'all an example, being the fact that I'm about to upload this video right now and shop in the shop. But I'm trying to find, I think they're supposed to give her more, but this is a perfect example how you just search up wherever you're going to shop at, and then this is the money they give you back. That's how powerful this app is. I use more than one app. I use this one, but for shopping, you can let me go to Walmart, but it's not going through. Let me try Ray-Bans. It's simple, like I said, like going to the website, like the way she did, and then you get your money right back. I'm trying to go. Let me try to spell the H&M through here. H&M. Search. Well, y'all get the point. Like I said, if you see right there, and they paid her right there to 23. I just want to show y'all real quick, being the fact I was uploading a video on this anyway. It's real simple. And the cashing out is, let me see, she wanted to transfer. It's 25, as you can see right there. So she just need $2 more. Most likely she's gonna get it. I think they're gonna send her more money, or she's gonna just continue to shop. So anyways, I'm out for real. Just want to show you a quick example. Peace. But don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.
Yeah, I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it right, I make it right. I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella.